Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Lesson 11 is a revision lesson and it's only got a couple of new points. The first word is uhibbu and the second is fihi and fiha. Uhibbu means I love and fihi means in it when you're talking about something masculine and fiha when you're talking about something feminine. Okay, so the word fihi means in it. So the example of that is man fil bayt fihi abi wa ummi. Who is in the house? In it are my father and my mother. And the feminine form of that is fiha man fil ghurfati. Now al ghurfa is feminine because of the ta at the end of it. So when you say fi, it has to be with a ha. In it, meaning in the room, is my brother. Uhibbu means I love or I like, etc. Uhibbu abi wa ummi wa akhi wa ukhti. I love my father, my mother, my brother, and my sister. The next point is the object of a verb is in the accusative case. What is an object of a verb? The object of a verb is that person or entity or thing that has a verb conducted upon it. For example, Nasara Zaydun Amran. Nasara Zaydun Amran. Nasara means to help. So Zayd has dhamma on it. Nasara is a fi'l. So because Zayd has dhamma on it, you know that it is the doer of that verb, of helping. So Zayd helped. Who did he help? Amr. Amran, it has a fatha on it. Why? Because it's the object of this sentence. Now, this will not take place, this nasab or this fatha will not be apparent in those situations in which a noun has the ya dhamir attached to it, like abi, ummi, bayti. Okay. For example, kharajtu or dakhaltu bayti. I entered my house. You cannot say baytiya, okay, because this fatha, it would not occur because this is a possessive pronoun is attached to it, which is indicating the possession of the first person. So in this case, you would not give it a fatha. So uhibbullaha. So in this case, we see uhibbu, I love. Who do I love? Allah. So Allah, the action of loving has been put upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Allah has a fatha. Uhibbu rasula. Rasula has a fatha for the same reason. Uhibbu Rasulallahi. I love the Prophet of Allah. In the case of mudaf and mudaf ilayh, the mudaf takes the haraka. Okay, the mudaf ilayh always has a kasra. Rasula, fatha, because it's the maf'ul of uhibbu. I love the Prophet of Allah. Uhibbu al-lughata al-arabiyyata. I love the Arabic language. In this case, this is mawsuf and sifa, so therefore both will have a fatha. أحب اللغة العربية. Here we can learn تحب, you love, masculine singular. So if you want to say the word you love, you are loving, you will love. أتحب الله, do you love Allah? أتحب لغتك, do you love your language? من تحب, whom do you love? ماذا تحب, what do you love?